Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Super English High School. Dear student, today we will talk about adjective. As you know that what is adjective? Adjective is a word which is used to give information about noun and pronoun. Means adjective describe and qualify the information about noun and pronoun. It is called adjective. So let us start how to understand what is adjective. It is very simple to understand it. The adjective is whenever we are giving extra additional information, means extra information about noun and pronoun. That word we can call it adjective. For example, suppose Ramu is a good boy. Here in this sentence, the good, this word give information about Ramu. Whenever we can ask the question how noun is, the answer is come back. It is called adjective. How is Ramu? Ramu is a good. It is adjective. And next, he is tall boy. In this sentence, he is tall boy. How he is? He is a tall. This tall word give information about he. This good word give information about Ramu, so that we can call it, this is adjective. Yes, exactly. Tall and good. This qualify describing about Ramu and he. Noun and pronoun. Whenever the word give information, denote information about noun and pronoun, that word we can call it adjective. Yes. So let us start to know how many types of adjective. What are the kind of adjective? So let us start to understand it. Okay. First, types of adjective. First, proper adjective. So let us start to understand what is proper adjective. The proper adjective is whenever we are calling something as a noun form, it is called adjective. Proper adjective used as a noun form. For example, we know the famous food of Maharashtra, vada pav. Vada pav is a Maharashtrian famous food, and if we eat something in Punjab, Punjabian lassi. We are Indian, so Indian. This is adjective. I am Indian. Here, for example, he, yeah, Punjabian, Maharashtrian, Indian, Asian, American. This word built by noun. India make Indian. Maharashtra made Maharashtrian. Punjab made Punjabian. Means when we modify the noun in adjective form, it is called proper adjective. Okay? I hope you understand it. And second, quality adjective. The quality adjective give information about noun and pronoun qualities. For example, the boy is good and bad. These words are quality adjective because it is giving information about noun and pronoun as a quality. The quality of good, the quality of bad, the quality of brave, the quality of honest. That word we can say that it is adjective. Okay? And next, numerical adjective. What is numerical adjective? It is simple to understand it. Numerical adjective means if you say a boy, here I use a boy, but whenever we are saying that one boy, two boy, three boy, a lot of boy, this is also adjective. 1, 2, 3. It is adjective. Yes, it is, but it is numerical adjective because we are saying that boy, but how many boys there? There is only one boy, two boy, three boy. It is called numerical adjective. Yes. And fifth, demonstrative adjective. What is demonstrative adjective? Whenever we are pointing someone by this word, this, that, those, these, this word used for demonstrative adjective because we said that boy, this boy, those boy, okay, like that. Whenever we are using this word before the noun and pronoun, we are using demonstrative adjective. Yeah. And next, sixth, distributive adjective. The distributive adjective is distribute the noun and pronoun in some particular parts. For example, each boy. Each boy. Boy means group, but I use here each boy. So I distribute the boys. Each boy means not a particular boy. Each boy should be complete the homework. Means I say all the students, each and particular student should be complete the homework on the time. Here I use each, everyone, every other. This is also adjective, but the category of adjective is distributive. It is distributed by adjective. And seven is interrogative adjective. Yes, we all know that the interrogative word is WH word. The WH word is interrogative sentence. Yes, but these types of word we can use as an adjective also. For example, whose book? Whose book? Book is a noun, but this word give information about noun. Book is a noun. We all know that it is a noun. But before book we use whose. Whose is a WH word. Means interrogative adjective. So whose is giving information about noun. So it is interrogative adjective. Whose, whom, bag. This word used as an adjective. It is called interrogative adjective. And eighth and last, possessive adjective. What is possessive adjective? We learn about possessive adjective in pronoun chapter. In pronoun chapter, we all know that the possessive word, how many types of possessive word which we use in our daily life. There is so many possessive word, but I am discussing about here possessive word. Let's see what is possessive word. Here, my. This word is a possessive word. After my, I will use here book. Book is noun, but before book I use my. So my is a possessive adjective because my book. If I will say that it is a book only. Book. Whose book? What types of book? Only I say book. The information is incomplete here. But when I will say my book, it is completed. The answer of sense of the sentence is completed. My book. So my word give information about book. My book, his book, her book, their book. Okay, like that word we use as a possessive adjective because something in our possession we will use there a possessive word. Okay, so it is adjective. We had discussed about it. If you have any doubt regarding of this topic, more, then you will learn. If you will not practice, you will not clear a concept in order to understand the meaning of adjective. So I hope you understand all this chapter. In this chapter, if you have any problem, you can